Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making this beautiful butterfly garden. In just a few easy steps you will have created something really special. If you wouldn't mind, in the comments below, what would your idea be for this creation? I made a butterfly garden. Would you make it a gnome garden? Would you make it a nativity set? So many different ideas. I would love for you to share your ideas with us.
The first step in making this butterfly garden is you're going to go to your last page and then divide it in half. So for me, it's going to be 1/13, so you're exactly halfway through the book. So the next step is you're going to take 10 pages from each side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 pages from the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you're going to form a little arch, okay? And then you're going to glue that down. Now, I think it's easiest with a glue gun, just so that you don't have to use all the craft clamps, okay? So go ahead and glue that down. Then you're going to take 10 more pages and you're going to glue that down. And hold that for a second. And then you're going to take 10 pages from this side. So as you can see, this comes together very, very quickly. Go ahead and add glue. And then 10 pages from this side. Your glue, right? And you're just going to keep doing that until you've finished going through the whole book. Now I'm going to decorate mine as a butterfly garden. You could do it, I've seen it as a nativity set scene. That comes out really sweet. You could do it as for bees. You could do it with flowers, gnomes, really you can be as creative as you want. So under comments, why don't you write down what you decide to decorate your garden with. I'd love to hear all the different ideas and inspire each other in our craft journeys. Now for this last one, you're not going to have any way, you don't have anything else to flip over it to hold it down. So you're going to have to glue each page down. Otherwise, it's just not going to hold. But this is the only one where you're going to have to glue each one. And then I just want to take a little extra time on that last one just to glue it down. So as you can see right here, the beauty of this very simple book fold, but yet so elegant. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate this with different flowers and butterflies. So please stay tuned. So I went ahead and decorated the finished butterfly garden with some flowers from the dollar store. I just did a nice little spray right here and then one underneath, just like so. Now I'm going to show you how to make some origami butterflies. You could also just buy some pre-made butterfly stickers and decorate it like that. But I'm going to show you how to make some origami ones. So let's get started with that. So we're going to go ahead and make an origami butterfly for our garden. The first step you're going to do is fold it in half and then go in half again and fold it in half. Then what you're going to do is you're going to stick your finger inside and form a triangle. Flip it around, stick your finger inside, smush it down and form another triangle. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and form the wings. So you're going to fold this up and this up, and you're going to turn this around, and you're now going to fold this past the edge. That's what it's going to give the nice curvature to the butterfly. And then go ahead and fold that little tip over. And then, once you do that and fold it a little bit, you'll have this butterfly. Now, if you want to give it some of its antlers, you can cut a piece of very thin wire, such as this, and go ahead and wrap your butterfly, and that will actually kind of hold it together very nicely. So twist that around a little, and then you can curl this a little bit to give its nice little antenna, like so. And there you have a very sweet origami butterfly.